Hello, this is Chris from Polytech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add a hover repeater to our Wix site. To that we need to go to the top right and click on Edit Site. There we go. Now we are going to the left to the Add button, and then we are going to click on List, and we are going to use the hover repeaters. We have quite a few examples, but we are going to use this one right here. We are going to drag and release on the page. There we go. Now this works mostly like the hoverbox, but we have a few differences that we are going to take a look. First we have the layout, left, center, right, and justify. If we click center, right, and justify, it will just go and fill the available space. We have the vertical spacing, to be read from right to left or left to right, and we can stretch to the full width. And if we go to the layout and select, for example, justify, right, center, we can really see the difference now. And we have manage items. Here we can add some items to the list, duplicate or delete them. And we click on the box, we have the options to change the regular and the hover components. We can change the background, we can manage the items too, we can change some animations, we can activate or deactivate the whole interactions, and we have the items on the different boxes. We have the text, and we can give it a link and edit it. And if we click on the box, we have the hover, and as you can see, we can see the changes that will happen when the mouse hover over the box. We have this vector art right here, we have some text, and here we can select the different effects that will happen when we hover. We can select to grow, shrink, skew, rotate, or a combination of many effects. We can select to hide the element, we can select the timing and how the animations will happen. As you can see, linear is in and out and so on. And if we add an element to the box, for example, we are going to add a button, and if we add a button, it will appear on all the boxes. If we go and change, for example, the color of the text, it will change on all the boxes. So it will make for a quicker addition of the elements if we wish to make similar boxes. And here we are at the button, and we can select, for example, if it has any effect. So we can select to make the button shrink to half its size. For example, as you can see, we select, we click back, and then we have the timing. We are going to select this happened in 2 seconds. We can add a delay, and we are going to select a linear animation. And if we go and click on play, we can see the button shrinks in a linear manner. There we go. So that's it. We have learned how to add hover repeaters to our Wix site in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Polytech.